Finger.
Finger. Fingernail. Fingernail. You see?
Fingernail.
Fingernail. Okay.
Mommy, finger.
Yeah.
This one.
Poopers. Poopers. Ayan lijan.
Heel.
Will.
Heel.
Hill.
Heel. Very good.
Shoot.
This one.
Ball TV.
This one.
Bounce.
This one.
Sword.
Hip.
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 Pit.
Hip.
Pit. Oh, dito ko. Dito ko ya.
This one.
Oh no. Managing.
Huh? This one.
Palira pop.
Sit properly. Huwag ka naka-video. Yan. Stomach.
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 Stomach. Baby.
This one.
Shoot. Shoot. Jeans.
Back.
Back. Jeans.
Sit properly. Sit properly.
Back.
Back.
Dog.
It's back.
Back. Hem. What is that? Hem.
No.
Finger.
No.
Hand. Lying finger.
Arm.
Arm.
Arm. That is arm.
Arm.
Lamok. Wing. Ang lamok. Ang lamok.
Sure.
This one.
Marshall quick.
That one.
Manjam.
Sit properly nga.
Jacket.
Leg.
Nick.
That is leg.
Nick.
Sa'yo mo nga.
Nick.
Leg.
Pagbasa mo sa isa.
Yan.
Finger. Hand.
This one.
Hand.
L.
L.
Elbow.
Purple.
That is elbow.
Ituro
Purple.
mo sa
Si elbow.
Purple. Pimpo. Mami.
This one. That one.
Bimbo. Bimbo.
Sit properly.
Bimbo.
Sit properly ka naka-video.
Handa mo.
Knee.
No, nanek.
Knee.
Nanek.
Knee.
Neck.
This is knee. My toes. My knees. That is knee. Knees. Knee.
Neck.
This one.
Hand.
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 Palm. Palm.
Palm. Hand.
Palm hand.
Hand.
Very good.
Kino! Aso! Aso, aso, aso!
This one.
Aso! Ha?
This one.
Finger.
Fist.
Fist. Fist.
You see?
Fist.
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 Ayos ka nga, Jared.
This one.
Hand.
And very good. 1 point.
Boopers.
This one.
Boopers.
Foot.
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 Hand.
Finger.
Hand.
See? Finger.
Finger. Boopers.
2.
Two.
Two. What is your two?
Two. Is it two? No, three home.
Ano naman siya?
Is it?
This one? What part of the body is this? Rest. Rest. This one.
No.
This one.
Hookers
Uncle.
are
Uncle.
girl.
This one.
Ham.
What part of the body is this?
No.
Huh?
Body.
Body? Waist.
Body.
That is waist. Not body. That's body. But that is a waist. Waist.
West.
Ito ba? Baywang. Waist.
A giant baby.
Yeah. Jerwin. That one.
Aso. Aso.
That one. What's parts of the body?
Body.
Chest.
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 This one.
Lips.
Lip.
Lip.
Good. 2 points na si Jerwin. Ito.
Sting dog.
What parts of the body?
Sting dog.
That one. What parts?
Sting dog.
Forehead.
Pinsan mo to, di ba?
Sting dog.
Pinsan mo.
Yun, oh.
Sting dog. Sting dog. Sting dog.
Leading?
Sting dog.
Arota.
Ha?
Sting dog.
Pangalan? Apelido?
Arota.
Ha?
Sting dog.
Arota. Saan ba yan? Arota. Arguta. Arguta. Arguta.
That one.
Dog.
This one.
Dog.
What's that?
Dog.
This one, what's this?
Hair.
Hair. Very good.
Dog. Dog.
This one. This one.
Eyes.
Eyelash. Eyelash.
Eye snap. Eyes.
This one.
Eyes finger.
Eyebrow.
Eyebrow. Yun yan sa.
This one.
Mug.
Chin.
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 Dog.
You see chin.
Dog. Dog.
That one.
Dog.
That
Dog.
one. Ito.
Mama.
This one.
Mama.
Snake.
Snake. Snake.
This one.
Hi, Maxina.
Shoulder.
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 Dog. Dog. Dog.
This one. What parts of the body is this?
Dog. Nose.
Nose. Very good. Nose, guys. Very good si Jerwin.
Dog.
At paano may naisagot?
Lips. Dog. Lips.
No, that's not a lips.
Really bad.
Lollipop.
Katulog ko.
Mouth. Si mouth.
Mouth.
Mouth siya, mouth. Mouth. This one lips.
Lips.
This one. Or this
Yeah.
mouth.
Dog. Dog.
This one.
Dog.
What parts of the body is this, Jerwin?
Dog.
Jerwin,
Dog.
what parts of the body?
Ears.
Ears. Tama siya, guys. Ears.
Bow.
This one.
Jacket. Dog.
What parts of the body is this?
Dog.
Head.
And dog.
Head nga, head.
Head.
Sit properly. Sit properly, Jerwin. Upo, upo. Upo. Opo, sit down.
Dog. Hagamis. Mama.
Face. Face. This one.
Ipin.
Ngipin nga ni.
Ipin mama.
Ano
Ipin
yan?
mami. Ipin.
What's this?
Ipin. Rashiti.
What's this?
Dog.
What's that? What part of the body is that?
Iti.
Again, again?
Iti.
Tit?
Ipin mo.
Tit. This is a tit, Jerwin. Tit. 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 Tit.
Itina.
Mali, Jerwin, mali.
Itina.
This one.
Ite.
What parts of the body is this, Jerwin?
Eye.
Eye. Oh, very good siya, guys. Eye.
Eyes. Cortex.
This one, Jerwin. What's this?
Down.
What's that?
Down.
Tang. Tang.
Tongue.
Tang. Very good.
Ay, puta, ang sakit.
Waiter.
Okay, very good. Kahit pa paano may naisagot si Jerwin namin.
Hindi pa tapos.
More.
Okay, we go to animals.
One, two.
We identify animals. Our second subject, identify the animals.
One, two.
Dito, Jerwin, dito ka.
Aso, aso, aso.
What animal is this?
Aso, aso.
Jerwin, What animal is this?
Elephant.
Elephant. Very good. Very good, guys. 1 point.
Pig.
Pig.
Help.
Tama siya, guys. Pig. 2 points.
Pig for boy. He's so cute.
This one.
Penguin.
Penguin. Ayan, guys. Familiar niya, penguin.
Penguin.
This one.
Squirrel.
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 Squirrel. Very good. This one.
Bee.
B. Tama siya, guys. B.
Bee sa honey.
B. Tama. Very good, si Jerwin.
Daddy.
Yes.
Seahorse. Seahorse.
Seahorse, very good. Seahorse, guys.
Seahorse.
Alam niya, seahorse. Talinong bata talaga. This one.
Cat.
Cat. Cat, guys. Oh. Very good.
Lion. Oh.
Lion, very good.
Lion.
Lion, very good. Oh. Lion, alam niya.
Ice cream.
This one.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit, guys. Alam niya.
Rabbit.
Oh.
Rabbit. Sheep.
Sheep. Alam niya, guys, sheep.
Sheep.
Galing.
Panda.
Panda. Yan, guys, yung panda. Alam niya, guys.
Tamad magsulat.
Galing talaga, guys.
Daddy. Peacock.
Peacock. Very good, guys. Peacock. Alam niya, guys. Alam niya, peacock. Galing.
Peacock. Ha. Ha.
Ito, guys, ito.
Daddy.
Yan, guys. Identify natin kay Jerwin.
Snake.
Snake. Snake, guys. Alam niya. Perfect.
See snake.
Galing. Ito, guys, ito.
Tiger. Fox.
Fox. Very good, Fox. Fox, guys. Oh, alam niya. Talinong bata. This one, guys.
Cow.
Cow. Very good. Cow. Cow, guys. Alam niya. Talino talaga ng bata.
Duck.
Ito kaya, guys.
Snail.
Snail. Snail, guys. Di ko alam yan, oh. Snail, alam niya.
Daddy. Snail.
Very good talaga, Jerwin ko. Talino. Ito kaya, guys.
Marshmallow. Marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. Oh,
What's
no.
this? What animal is this?
Marshmallow. Whee! Oh no!
Which animal is this?
Surprise! Marshmallow.
No.
Oh,
No.
marshmallow. Fish. Pista.
Fish. This is fish. Where's mother the name of the fish? What is the fish? Fish.
Fish.
Consider.
Consider
Tama.
Consider.
Tama siya. Perfect talaga. Ito kaya, guys. Pakilala natin sa kanya.
Tortoise.
Turtle.
Turtle.
Very good, turtle. Turtle.
Frog. Frog. Yo. Diaper. Diaper.
And diaper. Sparrow.
Sparrow.
Sparrow. One mistake. This one kaya guys, pakilala natin.
Horse.
Horse. Horse! Identify niya guys, horse.
Horse.
Galing.
Duck. Dogs.
Ito kaya guys.
Dog. Aso.
Dog, aso. Tinagalog pa.
Aso dog.
Double dead.
Rat.
Double dead talaga.
Si Aso Princess daw.
This one, pa-identify natin guys sa kanya. What's this?
Mouse.
Mouse! Mouse guys. Alam niya, mouse. Talagang talinong bata na yan.
Ano na New York?
Ito kaya guys, to papa-identify natin to. Palaka.
Frogs.
Frog! Frog na frog. Alam niya guys, frog. Galing.
Pig yun ah.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog! Inunahan ako guys. Hedgehog. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Talino talaga guys. Ito kaya guys, papakilala ko to. Kung kilala niya to talaga to. Sabongero to pag lumaki, pagkilala niya.
Rooster.
Rooster! Rooster! Yan guys, rooster oh. Tama siya. Galing, talino na bata. Ito kaya guys, pakilala natin sa kanya kung kilala niya.
Duck.
Duck! Yan da, duck daw. Alam niya. Ito kaya guys, pakilala natin to sa kanya kung kaya niya kilalanin yan. 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 What animal is this?
Dolphin.
Dolphin! Dolphin guys, oh tama! Dolphin! Galing! Ito kaya guys, pakilala natin to guys sa kanya kung kilala niya itong animal na to. What animal is this?
Zebra.
Zebra! 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 Kalagat! Galing! Talino talaga.
Giraffe.
This one?
Sure.
This one?
Giraffe.
Giraffe! Very good! Giraffe guys! Alam niya. Ito kaya guys, animal na to. Yan, malaking mata.
Owl.
Owl! Owl guys, alam niya owl. Talagang maraming alam ang bata na to, kahit pag ganyan-ganyan na yan, maraming alam yan, matalino yan. Ito kaya guys,
Oh, no.
pakilala natin sa kanya.
Monkey.
Monkey! Monkey! Grabe guys.
Aray!
Kiss.
Alam niya.
Ako eh.
Ito kaya guys, kung alam niya to. Yan. What animal is this?
Ayan. Starfish.
Starfish! Starfish! Galing guys, starfish oh! Grabe! Talinong bata!
Frog. Salmon.
Ito kaya guys, paano natin kung alam nyo itong ibon na to?
One pumper.
Woodpecker!
One pumper.
Woodpecker daw, woodpecker.
One pumper.
Yeah, very good. Ito kaya guys, pakilala natin sa kanya kung kilala ang animals na to. What animal is this?
Tiger.
Tiger! Very good, tiger. Tiger, very good. Talinong bata na yan. Pag ganyan lang yan eh.
Galingan na.
Ito kaya guys, papakilala natin to sa kanya. Yan.
Well.
Well! Very good guys, well! Oh, bravo! Alam niya guys. Alam niya.
Bojobo.
Ito kaya guys, papakilala natin sa kanya.
Bojobo.
What animal is this?
Octopus.
Very good, octopus na guys. Grabe ah. Grabe guys. Talinong bata na to. Ito kaya guys, pakilala natin to sa kanya. The last one.
Elephant.
Elephant! Elephant guys!
Elephants.
Grabe. Thank you for watching guys.
Iba na naman.
Thank you for watching. Grabe, matalino yung anak ko guys. Daming alam.
No.